I forgot what I was saying.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Wait, no.
Oh, no.
What's the sincerest form of flattery?
The most sincere.
No. What's the most sincere form of flattery?
Imitation.
That took you long enough.
Well, I wasn't sure if it was my turn to talk.
Hey guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie. Welcome to our channel, The Art of RVing.
Yes, and today we have another imitation.
Yes, I think you're going to enjoy this.
Yeah, and this is a little different. We're going to tell you who it is.
The name of their channel is Endless RVing.
Yep, Izzy and MJ. So if you don't know them, go check out one of their videos and then come back and check out this. And don't hurt me, guys.
Please understand, Izzy, MJ. We love y'all.
Yeah, here we go. Okay guys, here at Limited RVing, I am committed in keeping out every little speck of dirt possible out of our RV, and that starts with our shoes. We clap them off to make sure that there's no dirt on them. Then we get a vacuum, and then we clean the shoes inside and out. Then we put our shoes inside the box, and we get a Walmart bag, and we put the shoes inside the bag. And then, only then, are the shoes allowed to go inside the RV. Okay guys, now I'd like to talk just a little bit how me and JJ, well mostly me, how we keep this carpet spotless. We like to mix first some carpet concentrate in with about a quart of water. And this drill, it's really the Mercedes of drills. I love this so much. Oh. Okay guys, we get our concentrate and we spray it onto the carpet to be cleaned. And you gently put it down onto the carpet, and as it rubs in, and look how clean the carpet is. It makes me happy. Okay guys, let's talk a little bit about should you use an RV cover or should you not use an RV cover. The number one concern you have is ventilation, which is not a problem with the ProTech Carrion. As you can see here with our high-end Tiffin camper, that the ventilation is not an issue. Plenty of air can get underneath the cover. Another con is damage to finish. You can see here the way we strap our cover onto our Tiffin, guys, that it does not hurt to finish it off. Never had a single scratch. Another concern is full access. You want to make sure you get a cover that has full access to the inside when you need it. Hey guys, did you know that some RV parks have restrictions on types of dogs that they let in? We have two beautiful, cuddly little dogs named Killer and Crash. So we always consider our two puffy, wuffy, little fluffy animals, Crash and Killer, before we go into any RV park. And so should you. Okay guys, and so here you have it, the BD23 ladder. Another unique feature on the BD23 is how light it is. This ladder only weighs probably 226 pounds, and cut it JJ, I need to show more of my biceps. Another unique feature is it only weighs 226 pounds. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hey guys, you know fitness is very important to me. That's why I set up very, very straight. I work my way up to the top of the food chain to become a vegan. So today I'm gonna try the Vegan Impossible Burger. And just a word of warning, if you're vegan and you get diarrhea, you really might become a salad shooter, let me tell you. It looks just like a normal hamburger. Looks like meat. Smells like meat. I think they gave me the wrong burger. It's so clean. It's so clean. It's so clean.